Welcome to Sherwood Forest Summer Camp, where summer breaks free from the ordinary and dives headfirst into adventure. By day, campers train in real medieval skills such as archery, sword fighting, axe throwing, horsemanship, leatherworking, chainmaille, and more. These aren't just classes, they're unforgettable experiences taught by expert instructors in a 25-acre medieval village. Campers form deep bonds through shared challenges, laughter, and late-night stories told under the stars. These are the kinds of friendships that last far beyond summer. And when the sun sets, the magic continues with fire-spinning shows by Solar Rain, live music, and spectacular performances straight from Sherwood Forest Fair's legendary stages. At mealtime, every dish is crafted with care. Whether your camper's a picky eater or has dietary restrictions, we make sure everyone is happy, well-fed, and ready for the next adventure. Cap it all off with a Friday night feast featuring turkey legs as big as your face, sausages, and delicious veggie options. Sherwood Forest Summer Camp, where adventure lights the night and friendships last a lifetime. Located just 35 miles east of Austin, claim your spot at sherwoodforestsummercamp.com.